What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabsome besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. We need to make a little room here today, so let's move the couch for Barbie Dream Besties, a new doll line by Mattel. I bought 3 of these dolls on Amazon for $19.99. I got Barbie or Malibu, Renee, and Teresa. Then, on a trip to Target, I found Barbie or Brooklyn, also around $19.99. Looks like there's going to be, or already is, a YouTube series. On the front of the box, we can see the doll, a little illustration, and some accessories. On the back, there is an illustration of the dolls and a little information about each character underneath. Let's get these dolls out of the box with these easy-to-open tabs for a closer look. Is that tinsel? Out of the box, my Brooklyn's hair could use a little attention. And yes, it has a ton of tinsel. She has a diagonal part going across her head. She has long, straight brown hair with colorful tinsel. Personally, I'm not a fan of tinsel. I've been known to make a comment or two, but if you don't mind it, well, here you go. This doll has painted edges, blue eyeshadow, which I could personally also do without, freckles, and a lined lip, which I like. If you look really closely, you can see some dots to help kind of fade that lip color, but it's not too bad. The eyes are not pixelated, however, I do have a small smear on the side. She wears large, heart-shaped, gold-colored bamboo earrings that are not designed to be removed. She wears a shiny blue varsity jacket that says New York. We have white trim or a collar at the neck. I like that. Silver faux buttons in the front. That's a nice detail. Large, fluffy sleeves. The shiny blue fabric is carried around to the back. The sleeves have white cuffs, and the same fabric is used at the bottom of the jacket as well. And this is a crop jacket. Under the jacket, there's a white tank top that velcros in the back. There's a printed denim skirt with stitched details, 2 little notches cut out at the bottom. These are all separate pieces, and the skirt velcros in the back. She wears blue heels with sculpted leg warmers, and she comes with a dog that looks very similar to a Barbie extra pet. So far, these dolls totally remind me of like a Ever After High Barbie mashup, but with a different body. They're kind of like our custom Ever After High dolls that we made 9 years ago. What? That was 9 years ago? Wow. With these dolls, we do get a few accessories. Some of them are very familiar. I think I've gotten a few ring lights from other Barbie accessory packs and playsets, as well as this stereo. We have a cell phone with a case. The cell phone says best friend calling, and it can fit inside the case. There's a hand bracket on the back, so the doll can hold the phone. She also comes with a tablet and a small Barbie bag. It is open in the top, so you can try to carry her phone inside. With these accessories, Brooklyn enjoys making up dance routines, editing videos, and creative writing. Malibu enjoys makeup, crafting, and camping. Out of the box, she has blonde hair. It has a little bit of a crimped beach wave to it with 2 crimped pieces in the front. It has a lot of product, and they are pink. She has blue eyes with silver and pink eyeshadow, a pink lip color. She wears a metallic silver heart necklace, a pink baby doll top with clear straps, matching pink gloves with large fabric roses at the top. The shirt velcros in the back and is separate from the shorts, which also velcro in the back. She wears faux denim shorts that are frayed on the bottom and have stitched pockets. She wears pink heels with bows. This doll has a pink handheld mirror with a bee on the back and a printed mirror on the front. She has white sunglasses with printed lenses. She comes with a pink cell phone and a pink cell phone case that looks like a retro cell phone. Is there a trick to keeping the cell phone in the case? 'Cause mine keeps popping out. I find it a little challenging to get the cell phone in the case, and mine keeps popping out. She has lipstick with pink painted details, which is awesome. A large compact. Inside you can see, I'm guessing that's blush, and a printed mirror. And there's a little poof. We can put that inside. There's a large pink hair dryer. There's a little switch on the side and a hand bracket. And there's a clear Barbie case. It's pink with glitter. And there's the Barbie logo on the front. I really like this one. Teresa likes gaming, reading, and gymnastics. Teresa has brown hair with lighter highlights. She has a side part with 2 braids on the sides with red hair accessories shaped like bows. She wears a red headband with bear ears. She has yellow to a reddish orange eyeshadow. I am seeing some dots, kind of like pixels. She has small white stars painted under the eyes. There's a moon on the other side. She has a toothy grin, wears red lipstick, and has dimples. She has a gold-colored necklace, a red mesh polka dot top under a red top with a large bow in the front. They appear to be 2 separate pieces, and Velcro in the back. She wears matching red shorts with a ruffle around the leg and an elastic waistband, heels that are sculpted to look like they're fuzzy, matching sunglasses, and correction, this is not a headband. It is headphones. I couldn't tell because her hair was covering it. Oh my goodness. And I totally wasn't paying attention to the picture. There we go. Now we can see them. She has a clear backpack that says Game On. Love the keyboard. She has a small brown teddy bear. This looks like a mold that we have seen before. And a red cell phone that says Game Over with a teddy bear case. I had no problem with this phone and case. And the little button at the bottom is a heart. Can you see that? Renee likes skateboarding, basketball, and painting, and I can see that she's a vlogger. Renee also has tinsel. She has black hair styled in 2 ponytails. There are some lavender highlights with tinsel. She also has bangs. Pretty neutral eyeshadow, well, except for the dots under the eyes. Her eyes are brown with a little touch of green. She has a pink lip color, a toothy grin, metallic earrings that were not designed to be removed, a matching necklace. She wears a crop top that is lavender. There's a little heart detail that goes on the front. She has lavender shorts with a faux button, little faux pockets hanging down, and stitched pockets as well. They Velcro in the back. There's a little distressing and a frayed edge at the bottom. She comes with lavender boots, a drink that she can hold, a lavender laptop with toast and eggs on the screen. That is cute. There's a toast and eggs purse. It says Barbie on the back and it can open. There's a bag of cheese chips, a large cartoony pizza slice, a pretzel, and a cell phone with a popsicle case. So far, all of the cases have been flexible, and that one wasn't too difficult to get the phone inside the case. Some of their accessories are slightly larger than what we're used to seeing with the Barbie. Barbie tablet, Dream Bestie tablet. Barbie laptop, Dream Bestie laptop. Barbie cell phone, Dream Bestie cell phone. But some items are pretty much the exact same, like the stereos. Barbie stereo, Dream Bestie stereo. At $19.99, these dolls are articulated, with movement at the head. We have some good rotation there, at the shoulder, the elbow, the wrist. They can move at the hip and bend at the knee. Standing next to a Barbie without shoes and flat feet, the Barbie Dream Bestie doll is shorter than a classic Barbie, standing around 11 inches tall. It seems like they have a shorter torso and a smaller waist than a classic Barbie, but their legs are a little thicker and their feet are larger. Looks like they can fit the shoes from the new Disney Descendants, The Rise of Red. Here is Brooklyn's top and skirt on a classic made-to-move Barbie body. The top is a little snug but doable, and the skirt is a little loose but works. These shoes are a little large, but they're staying on. However, you can probably find similar Barbie shoes in your collection. And here's Brooklyn wearing Brooklyn's jacket. Here's Malibu's outfit on a Barbie Looks doll. The top with those large roses totally remind me of Cressida from Bridgerton. Here's Teresa's look on a classic Barbie. Everything was pretty easy to get on except for the bow top. That was a little bit of a challenge. And last but not least, here is Renee's outfit. The top and shorts were pretty easy to get on. However, the heart top, I had to sit it a little low so I could close it in the back. If you're looking to expand your Barbie Dream Bestie wardrobe, Rainbow High might be a good place to start. The skirt seems to fit great. The top is a little snug, but doable. Not bad. For $19.99, with Barbie Dream Besties, we're getting an articulated doll with fashion and accessories. The hair might require a little attention out of the box, but if you liked Ever After High, then these might give you a similar vibe with a Barbie twist. Thank you for joining us while we checked out Barbie Dream Besties. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.